Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. On tonight's menu, Thai peanut sauce with chicken and veggies. Here's the morning mise en place. And here's just after prep. And here's the second mise en place for the peanut sauce. And here's the second mise en place for the chicken and vegetables. Heating up some oil in the Dutch oven. I add the onion and start to saute them. Then I add the garlic and saute for about another minute. Then I add the carrots and the peppers and saute. Here's all the veggies together. And here I add the chicken by pushing the vegetables to the side. Here's the peanut sauce, all the ingredients in the pot. Here's the finished chicken and vegetables. And the finished peanut sauce. The cooked rice. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me with the preparation of Thai peanut sauce and chicken and veggies. Have fun cooking.